Assalamu alaikum students. After having the knowledge of resultant of two vectors by triangle law of vector addition and parallelogram law of vector addition we have read, and we finally concluded that the resultant of the two vectors is given as the under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos of theta. And for that very resultant we were having a direction that is tan of alpha, and that tan alpha equals to b sine of theta over a plus b cos of theta. So this formula is for resultant of the vector, and this formula is for the direction of resultant of vector. So here we are having some question, a couple of question here, and I will continue in the next lecture. I'm having two velocities or two vectors. One is 3 meters per second in the east, and another is 4 meters per second in the north. Now I have to find out their resultant. What will be their resultant? So vectorly I can say, if the diagram will be like this, it will be vector AC vector equals to AB vector plus BC vector, because by triangle of vector you have to add up these two very sides. Why these? Because they have the same order. Its tail, the vector B's tail coincide with the vector A, and then the resultant vector drawn from the tail of first up to the head of second gives the resultant of 2. So here r equals to under root of, for vector A, in order to calculate, this is vectorly and this is magnitude. In order to calculate the magnitude of this very vector r, we have the relation, we have to use the magnitude of vector A, it is square, magnitude of vector B, it is square, plus 2ab cos of theta. 2 into A is vector 3, B is vector 4 into cos of 90. As cos 90 is 0, so this very whole term vanishes. So what there resides or remains, that is r equals to under root of 25, because 3 square that is 9, 4 square that is 16, 16 plus 9 that's 25, then r equals to simply 5. Otherwise, simply listen, resultant comes out, it is resultant is not 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 that was 7, but the resultant is 5, because you have to take care of the angle also. Had it been like this, this is 3 and this is then 4, then the resultant was 3 plus 4, then the resultant drawn from the vector. Because here if we are having condition like this, अगर हमारे पास ऐसे condition होगी यार, तो this is vector first, this is vector second, then the tail drawn from the first vector up to the head of second, that gives us the r, then it was r again, vector A plus vector B. But here the resultant comes out to be, if you are going to use uh, this very formula and this very data, so it will come as a square, that will be 9, b square, that will be how much, that will be 4 square, plus 2ab cos of theta. But what is now theta here? The theta here is 0, because both are in the same direction, so the scenario was totally different. It will be cos of 0, cos 0 is 1. So if this is the condition, if in the same data we are only changing the theta, listen what happens by changing, by having only change in the theta, it will become as here. If I will show in this very small box, it will be r equals to, I will use this very formula, a square. Listen, for this very question it will be 3 square plus 4 square plus 2 into 3 into 4 cos of 0. Cos 0 is 1, so 3 square that is 9, 4 square that is 25, no, 4 square that is 16. It will be under root of, it will be 9 plus 16 plus 3 to the 6, 6 4 that is 24, and the whole will be root of 49, that will be simply, which implies r is equal to 7, which is 4 plus 3 7, because they are parallel. This will be, this whole sum will be 49, and once you are going to calculate, r will be 7. So only by changing theta, Here the theta is 90, the resultant is 5 for the same two vectors. Here the theta is 0. Here the theta is 0, and for the same two vectors we are having r is equal to 7. Okay, na? This sum will be 49. You have to check it out. Now in this very question, what we are having now, direction of resultant, that is given by tan alpha equals to b sine theta by a plus b cos theta. Instead of b, we are having 4 sine and theta is equal to 90. In this very case, I am not writing down this. This I only showed. Divided by a is 3 plus b is 4 cos of 90 again, and it comes out to be this, comes out to be tan alpha 4 by 3, or alpha is equal to this. So this is how we are going to calculate resultant. Now if we are having another question, as I have placed here already, two vectors which are equal in magnitude. So I have to take vector a, its magnitude x, vector b, its magnitude x or f, you can take anything, and resultant of two is equal to either of them. If their resultants are, then that is equal to the either of the magnitude. Find the angle between vectors. So I have placed it here using the formula r square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos of theta. So instead of r, I am having x, so x square. Instead of a, I am having x, again x square. Instead of b, again the same, 2x into x, x square cos theta. Now this x and this x adds up to x square. X square is equal to 2x square plus 2. It will be like, now this, once again, r square is equal to a square. Instead of a square, x square. Instead of r square, x square. B, x square, 2x into x, x square cos of theta. Now this x and this x adds up, it is 2x square plus 2x square in cos of theta, which implies if I will take this 2x square on this very side, it will become as minus. So it will be minus x square is equal to 2x square cos of theta, or which implies minus 1 equals to 2 cos theta, which implies minus 1 by 2 equals to cos of theta, because this 2 is going to get on this very side. So theta equals to cos inverse minus 1 by 2, or theta equals to 1 by 2. So if we are having two vectors which are inclined at an angle of 120 and their magnitude is equal to their resultant, then the situation will be like this. Then they should be at an angle of, this can be asked like this. If two vectors are equal, this question can be asked like this. If two vectors are equal in magnitude and are inclined at an angle of 120, find the resultant. The resultant will be equal to either of them. Or as usual, I have asked, it will be asked like that. This is all for today. Tomorrow will be with another numerical, couple of numericals. Till then, Allah Hafiz.